3 years in prison doesn't seem like much for failing to prevent a murder or for covering one up.
But 3 years ended up being the best Kelsey Berreth's family could hope for. And well, prosecutors don't like it any more than you do. And hearing from them today, you got the sense they would have happily locked Krystal Kenney up and thrown away the key. But that was never in the cards.
And if you have a problem with it, the DA says you'll have to take it up with the people making the laws. Denver 7's Jennifer Kowaleski picks up the story from here.
It was a very emotional day in court. The district attorney says Kenney got off too lightly, but says they had to make a deal with the devil in order to convict Frazee.
It was a horrible, gruesome scene to hear the description of what happened. He deserves every day he got, and then some.
The brutal murder of Kelsey Berreth led to a highly charged and highly emotional case, with ex-lover Krystal Lee Kenney at the center as the state's star witness.
Do I feel bad every day that she only got 3 years today? You betcha. But in the end, we needed to solve this case. He needed to be held accountable for what he did. He's the one who brutally murdered this woman.
Well, District Attorney Dan May calls her 3-year prison sentence inadequate. Here's the reality. The judge gave Kenney the maximum punishment allowed under her plea agreement. Kenney signed that deal in exchange for her testimony against Frazee. Testimony and evidence prosecutors say they needed to put Frazee away for life. The former Idaho rodeo queen admitted to cleaning up the bloody crime scene and taking Berreth's phone with her to Idaho, and then sending messages from it and making it appear like she was still alive. Something else worth noting, when we asked May if Kenney could get out early for good behavior, his answer was yes. May called out Colorado lawmakers for letting it happen.
What we're finding anymore is it's not unusual for someone to serve maybe 25% of their sentence on a crime, no matter what it is. What the sentence you hear in the courtroom ought to be what the sentence somebody receives in their case.
May says he plans to spend a lot of time at the Capitol this session talking to lawmakers about that issue. As for Kenney, she left here in handcuffs and was taken into custody. I'm Jennifer Kowaleski for Denver 7.